My passion is helping develop student athletes. Oftentimes, it is the student part that presents the most challenge. I created a concept to add some spice to academic lessons. With flashcards, worksheets, workbooks, any type of lesson or book or assignment that has an answer key handy, you can incorporate these what I call math facts playing surfaces. Bottom line is the student or students, if there are teams, must produce the correct answer in order to roll a die to be able to move a cube or cubes to play a game. Now with flashcards, of course, the answers are on the back. Say we're playing one-on-one. Let's assume that this person, student, got the answer correct. So the number rolled on the black die, which is the offensive die, is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say the defense got the answer correct. They rolled a 2. They're going to try to cut him off. 1, 2. And so it's simply with a one-on-one activity, you're trying to get around this defender in order to score. You are the defense trying to get to the ball carrier to make a tackle. You must advance at least one row forward each turn. You cannot go back. That wastes time. Say we're playing 2-on-2. Let's say they both, and this could be 2 different students or one student with 2 cubes. You get 2 equations right, you roll the die, it applies to both. He runs out for a pass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He advances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So unlike regular football, yes, I'm going to let him run and be able to throw a pass. Defense rolls. Let's say roll a 2. He's going to retreat some to be with him. He's going to try to come in some on him. Now, in order to pass, what will happen is that he can move first, his allotted number, put the ball down, use the finger to move it. Now, that was a little too hard. It was supposed to. Now, I can also have a pen or a pencil behind here to keep it from flying off the table. The ball, I wanted it to land in here somewhere so that he could move to the ball to receive it. If he didn't, the defense gets a turn. You can do this with 3-on-3, 4-on-4. Okay, so you can have up to 8 students on a particular surface. For basketball, you can pass the same way. You move, you defend. But now the ultimate goal is to get close enough, and you can pass to one another, to get close enough in order to use the finger to push the ball to get in one of these squares that touches the rim or backboard. That will be a basket. In soccer, same thing. You are moving, you are defending, you're trying to get close enough in order to use a finger to make the ball stop in one of these squares in order to score a goal. The defense can only put 1 cube in one of these squares here. Now, of course, there are more details on my website, www.studentathlete.net. Click on the Math Playing Fields link in the first paragraph of the home page. Now, this is just these surfaces comprise one activity pack. This is just a beginner's activity pack, the first elements of math, first parts of elementary school, up to like 3rd grade. I have more surfaces that represent more of the curriculum. We have telling time information, we have measurements information, metric system, US system, different things like that. And the bottom line is, again, being able to use the surface in order to do the work. Here we have the popular staples in education, the number line, so students can refer to this. They can refer to the 200 chart for higher numbers in addition and subtraction. And I have charts in 200 increments up to 1,000, 201 to 400, 401 to 600, etc. And also the multiplication table for multiplication and division. So the bottom line is that the student is able to refer to the surface to help him or her get the right answer in whatever subject matter they are doing. And again, I have other surfaces. I even have some that don't apply to math. I mean, I have rough drafts on things that have to do with the Bible and things like that. The bottom line is just having some information and some sort of a cheat sheet, for lack of a better term, information on the surface that the student can access to answer questions, to answer trivia or something like that. These Arithmacubes have basic elements of math on them for other activities, which I won't take the time to demonstrate them now, but they have numbers 0 through 10. You have the letters MT, stands for making 10, D for doubles. You have the greater than, less than, and equals signs. You have the basic operation symbols for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Lastly, these are my Arithmacubes that I plan on using when I get that final position to really get this product out in some really big stores. Thank you.